Title: The Lost Wallet. Hello everyone. Today I want to share a short story with a powerful lesson. This story is about honesty, kindness, and doing the right thing even when nobody is watching. Let's begin. Story. Tom was a 14-year-old boy. He lived in a small town with his mother. His family did not have much money, but they were happy. Every morning, Tom walked to school. One sunny day, he was walking through a park. Birds were singing. Children were playing. Everything seemed normal. Then Tom saw something on a bench. It was a black wallet. He looked around. Nobody was near the bench. Tom picked up the wallet. He opened it carefully. Inside, there was a lot of money. There were also some cards and a photo of an old man. Tom's eyes became wide. He had never seen so much money before. For a moment, he thought about keeping it. With that money, he could buy new clothes. He could buy video games. He could even help his mother pay some bills. Tom put the wallet in his backpack. As he continued walking, he could not stop thinking about it. At school, he could not focus on his lessons. His teacher asked a question. Tom did not hear it. His friend Jake asked him what was wrong, but Tom only said, "Nothing." After school, Tom sat alone under a tree. He took out the wallet again. He looked at the photo inside. The old man in the picture was smiling. Tom wondered how the man felt. Maybe he was worried. Maybe he was searching everywhere. Maybe that money was important. Tom remembered something his mother always said. She often told him, "Doing the right thing is not always easy, but it is always worth it." Tom closed the wallet. He made a decision. He would find the owner. The address on one of the cards was not far away. Tom walked across town. After 20 minutes, he arrived at a small house. He knocked on the door. An old man opened it. The man looked tired and worried. "Can I help you?" he asked. Tom showed him the wallet. "Is this yours?" Tom asked. The old man's eyes became full of surprise. "My wallet," he said. "I've been looking for it all day." Tom gave it back. The old man quickly checked inside. Everything was there. The money, the cards, the photo. Nothing was missing. The old man smiled. "You are a very honest boy," he said. Then he took out some money. "Please take this reward." Tom looked at the money. For a second he was tempted, but then he shook his head. "No, thank you," he said. "I only wanted to return what belongs to you." The old man smiled even more. He thanked Tom again. Tom walked home feeling lighter. He had no extra money. He had no new clothes. He had no video games. But he felt proud. That evening, he told his mother everything. She listened carefully. Then she hugged him. "I am proud of you," she said. Tom smiled. At that moment, he understood something important. Money can make you happy for a short time, but doing the right thing can make you proud for a lifetime. And that's the end of today's story. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, honesty is valuable, even when nobody is watching. If you like this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next story. Moral of the story: doing the right thing is more valuable than any reward.